a scholar of five, with knowledge so bright, English, maths, physics, chemistry, and biology in sight. I break down the concepts with ease and with flair, making learning fun without a single care. Five subjects, one goal, to learn and to grow. I'm the five-subject scholar, let the knowledge...
Salam and hi friends. Today, we will learn about alkali metals, the group 1A element. So the alkali metal elements are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium.
Fun without a single care. Five subjects, one goal, to learn and to grow. I'm the five-subject scholar, let the knowledge show. From equations to atoms, to cells and more, I'll guide you through like never before.
Location of alkali metals. The alkali metals are located in group 1A. This is the first column. It means groups are called columns in the periodic table. All the red-colored elements pointed with red lines are isolated to be identified as alkali metals. Now, see the physical properties of alkali metals. Number 1. Softness. Alkali metals are usually softer than metals. They can be easily cut with a knife. Number 2. Melting point. The melting points of alkali metals generally decrease as you move down the group in the periodic table. Number 3. Density. The alkali metals have low densities, so much so that lithium, sodium, and potassium float on water. Reaction with water. Observations. Number 1. With lithium, when placed in water, lithium fizzes gradually until it eventually disappears. Number 2. With sodium, when placed in water, sodium fizzes rapidly and quickly disappears. Number 3. With potassium, when placed in water, potassium sparks, releases a lilac flame, and rapidly disappears. Number 4. With rubidium, cesium, and francium, reactivity with water increases down the group. These three metals get very explosive. Reaction with water. Equations. Group 1A alkali metals have only one electron in their outermost shells. This gives them similar chemical properties. When they react, they lose this electron and become positive ions. Reaction producing hydroxides. Alkali metals react with water to produce hydroxide. Hydroxides are bases. For instance, the equation will be sodium plus water produce sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen as products. Now let's talk about the reaction of alkali metals with oxygen in the air reacts with the surface of these metals, giving them a slightly white appearance. When these metals react with oxygen, produce metal oxides. The chemical equation will be seen as that lithium plus oxygen produce lithium oxide. Reactivity with oxygen increases as we go down the group 1. Have a look over the reactions with chlorine. Alkali metals react vigorously with chlorine gas, Cl2, to form alkali metal chlorides. These reactions are highly exothermic, releasing heat and often producing a bright flame. The reactivity increases as you move down the group due to the decreasing ionization energy of the alkali metals. The equation will be seen as sodium plus chlorine produce sodium chloride. Trends in reactivity. Reactivity increases from lithium, Li, to cesium, Cs, lithium, Li, least reactive, sodium, Na, potassium, K, rubidium, Rb, cesium, Cs, most reactive. This trend is observed in their reactions with water, halogens, like chlorine, acids. As you move down the group, the alkali metals become more reactive and vigorous in their reaction.
I'm a scholar of five, with knowledge so bright, English, maths, physics, chemistry, and biology in sight. I break down the concepts with ease and with flair, making learning fun without a single care. 5 subjects, 1